Exercise number 2. We will connect a light sensor buzzer to the wire device, and then we will using wire up to control to read the sensor data and control the buzzer. So in this example, I got a wire node with D2D117. So I just go to this wire app, check, okay, D2D117 is there, but currently, of course, it's offline. Then let's just connect the device. Take this out and then use the USB cable. Connect this USB cable here. And on this side, we turn it on. With the USB cable connect to a computer, so we power on the board, and then we come back to the list, see our device D2D117 is right now is connected and with online status, but there's no sensor connected yet. So first step, we will connect a buzzer and a light sensor to this board. Actually, that's see in the app. We should have an input device with light sensor. On the Android app, it's also called luminance sensor. Okay, that's the luminance sensor. And the luminance sensor is an analog sensor. Actually, it's connected to the right hand side of this one. So then on the board, we will connect the light sensor to right hand side, this one. And we will connect this buzzer to the left hand side, this way. Of course, the same way we need to find the output, which is speaker on the Android phone. So we drag this one, put it over here. So now it will show there's a button called Update Firmware in the red color. And we should do update firmware. So firmware updated. So that means right now this device have a proper firmware updated and which can interact with the buzzer and the light sensor. On this inside this app, you can right tap this one. It's called View API. That's the page we want to go to. And on this page, you will see this is the actual programming API. Have a growth luminance sensor, and also have a speaker. That's like two devices we connect. For the speaker, we have multi-way of to trigger the sound. So first step, let's do a read light sensor. So that's the luminance, and over here, click this button, get. So we are get light sensor reading 985. So for the buzzer, we will be using this command, which is called sound underscore ms. Basically make a sound for the duration of how many milliseconds. You will need to provide two parameters, one is frequency and another one is duration. So over here, let's put a frequency. This reasonable range of sound is like 200 to 800. That's put 450. And the duration of 1 second, which is 1,000 milliseconds. So let's do a post. And then you can hear the buzzer sound for 1 second. That's all for exercise number 2.